video, I'm showing you how to make my favourite base pastry. You can use it for slices or bases for filling pies. So these are the ingredients you'll need. 100 grams of melting white chocolate, 125 grams of softened butter, 100 grams of icing sugar, and 200 grams of plain flour. Now you're going to melt your chocolate. Once all melted, add the icing sugar and the flour and the butter, and you're going to knead till combined. You could add 60 grams of macadamias if you'd like. I'm doubling my recipe because I'm making a few different tarts. You literally can use this base for anything. I especially like it for my caramel tart and caramel slices. So here I'm just adding the butter. Then I'm going to use my hands, and now I'm going to just do it till it's all combined like so with my hands. I'm also going to make a chocolate pastry as well by just adding half a cup of cocoa powder and half my mixture. You just line your pie tins and you bake for 12 minutes in a 180-degree oven. And there you go. So simple and delicious.